about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So we've arrived in Disney Springs. It only took us about 15 minutes to get here. The I-4 was actually really not bad. Not really any stop traffic on it for a change, so that was good. We like to park at surface parking at night time. We parked there today because it's still not like really hot yet. There is the parking garages here as well that are really popular, and obviously they're good in the really hot summer because you get the shade there, so your car can stay nice and cool.
And the view is better than the walking.
But the view from this side is really nice. I'll turn you around and let you see it better in the daylight today. So we're going to grab some lunch. We're thinking about going up in the balloon today because we had some little Groupon tickets for it, so there's a little handy tip for anybody that's coming over is to look on Groupon USA and see. I was actually really surprised that we managed to pay for them on Groupon, to be honest. I thought I would have wanted a US address, but I didn't. So we got 2 tickets for the balloon, like basically half price. May as well save some money where we can, you know. At the end of the day, it's not cheap to come to Orlando by any means. We do look for cost saving measures while we're here, so and that helps us make it happen and lets us be able to see what we want to see and do. So it's definitely getting to weather for shorts.
I haven't come out my shorts.
You're in your shorts, but I'm still wearing jeggings. The temperature in Celsius still doesn't compute with me that I should be wearing shorts. I mean, it was warm like this at home last summer. I still don't think I had shorts on.
Yeah.
No.
I'm in Italy, Scotland. Shorts on.
The shorts are on.
Yeah, so I just came in here. And no, I did not just come out with a beard before anybody says anything, but I did come out with Sarah didn't come out with a beard though. No beard.
Disney Springs. We come here quite regularly when we come over to Orlando. So today we came in the afternoon. It's normally really busy at night when we come, so we came in the afternoon. I am planning on coming back early so we can have maybe a breakfast and lunch here. So we just ate at Earl of Sandwich and it was amazing. We were $25. There were 2 sandwiches, crisps, juice, but it was really good. Really recommend it. I had a salad, Gareth had a sandwich, as you do at Earl of Sandwich. Really nice. But there are more reasons than just shopping to come to Disney Springs. As you can see behind me, the view is beautiful. It's just such a beautiful place to come. There's lots of lovely beautiful gardens. It's just such a favourite. So when I was looking for somewhere to stay in Orlando this time, because our usual place was really fully booked, I came across this hotel. Now they do rooms that are like a studio apartment that have some kitchen facilities, and to be honest I thought that's what I had booked, but it's worked out okay, so that's fine. So, but when I was looking for it I couldn't find a lot on it, and we did manage to find a little bit but not as much as what I wanted. So to make it easier for others, I'll show you the hotel as we go up to our room and our hotel room and let you see what it is. So we're just down from the I-4, we're across from Universal Studios. You could walk, but I'd say it maybe take what, 20 minutes? A 20 minutes walk, not like a 5-10 minute walk as I think is described on the hotel. But this is a hotel. Got a really big car park, which I've just realised I've not put the ticket on the car. That's fine. They give you a ticket to say that you can park here for free, which is good, because a lot of hotels in the area will charge you about $15 a day for car parking, a lot of the Universal hotels, so we were quite fortunate that they didn't. So we'll take you in and let you see. It's a lovely little lounge area, and then this area over here, through those doors up there, you've got the breakfast area. All the seating's for breakfast, and then in here you've got the bar, the pool, some tables and chairs to sit. A load of lifts down here. Out there you've got the pool area. We've got a lovely fire on there just now, so that looks like it could be quite cosy. Another view of the breakfast area. And down here they've got, this is the back of the hotel where you can also park and come in. This little bit here is where you can get some Universal Park tickets. That's where we got ours. Got some information, an ATM. We've got this little handy dandy water station. Top up your water, and some toilets down here too. So we're going to grab the lift because we are on the 9th floor. Okay, so we came out the lift, and this is the hallway. It's quite good being on the top floor because there's not been a lot of noise. It's actually been quite good. And we are in here. So this is our, thank you. This is our little room. So you've got some space over there for clothes in the drawers. Bed. Oops. We've got a wardrobe in here with an iron and ironing board and a safe, which is good. We're up here, so we've got a really good view across. So Holiday Inn and Suites there to the left, Hyatt Place to the right, which I think was originally there, and then they built this one 2018, so it's fairly new. It's quite cool because these wee doors can shut over, so can make it more into a kind of bedroom. There's Gareth. We've got a bunk bed, we've got a little sofa, some more wardrobe space, and we've got a fridge in this cupboard, just a little dinky one though. And this is the bathroom. A shower, your toilet, and sink. So there you have it, a little quick tour of the Hyatt House Hotel across from Universal Studios. I would rate this quite good. The breakfast is really good, it's included in the price. The room's cleaned every day, nice clean and tidy. They supply towels, you've got all your kind of bits and bobs that you would expect. So yeah, definitely a thumbs up. Would definitely stay here again. I quite like being up on the top floor. You've got nobody running around in corridors above you. So yeah, and we've got a lovely view too. So if you are thinking about staying in the area, this one is definitely one for you. They also have your free shuttle. You just need to pop down your name and it runs to Universal Studios. The only thing I would say is they said it would take about 20 minutes to get there when it only takes 5 minutes in the car. So you're about $5 to $10 on an Uber to get to Universal. So it's just a case of weighing up what you would prefer to do. If you'd rather wait the 20 minutes if you're not really stuck for time, or jump in an Uber, or just drive. So if you are driving to Universal, just bear in mind you're $26 at the moment for car parking. You can park there for free after 6 PM, or if you go during the day and go and see a movie at the cinema there, you'll get free car parking. So you just take your ticket and they'll give you your money back for your car parking. Good morning from Universal